Have you ever wondered why different brands sell the exact products but with different labels? And what if I told you that many of these things you buy from either coffee or skincare aren't actually made by these brands selling them? I would like you to stick around because I'm about to review to you a very powerful business secret called white labeling. And by the end of this video, you might even get $1 million business idea. So what is white labeling? White labeling is when a company makes a product, but other businesses buy it and sell it under their own brand name. The product itself stays the same, but the only difference is the branding. And I'm going to give you an example of this. Let's give, for instance, a coffee shop. Let's say a local shop or a local coffee shop buys or sells its own brand of coffee. But did they really roast the coffee bean themselves? I don't think so. They likely bought the beans from a supplier who also sells other coffee shops. The supplier allows different brands to put their products on the packaging, and that is what we call white labeling. I will give you another example which we can find in skincare or beauty products. We have to understand that many of these beauty brands don't actually make their own creams or serums or lotions. Instead, they work with manufacturers who create this formula and allows multiple brands to put their own labels on it. So the same cream you love might be sold under different brand names with slightly different packaging. Another example is what we see in supermarkets or supermarket products. So have you ever bought a store brand cereal that tastes exactly like the famous one or the famous brand you know? And that's because many of these grocery stores use white labeling. They buy the same products from the same manufacturer and simply put their own label on it, often selling it at a very lower price. So I'm going to give you reasons why businesses prefer white labeling instead of producing their own products from scratch. Number one, it saves time and money. Businesses do not have to create products from the scratch. And number two, there is easy brand customization. That means they can create or they can market the product as their own. And number three, faster to the market, meaning they can send these products faster to the market. So instead of developing a product from the scratch, they can start selling, they can buy directly from the manufacturers and sell right away. So next time you see multiple brands selling the same products, just know that it is white labeling. If you found this video helpful, please hit the button and subscribe and comment below. Of you can ask me any question you would like me to answer, and I will see you in my next video.